Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add month name column from month number column in Power BI. While working on some data sets, we have a column of month where month name doesn't show but there is a numbers of the month from 1 to 12. Now what can we do so to add month name in Power BI from that column? So to learn that, keep watching my video till the last. So we have come to the Power BI. To do the same thing, first you have to load your data of Excel workbook or CSV file into Power BI through Power Query. After that, you need to go to this table view option. By clicking here, you can see the column of your different columns and data set. You have to select and locate for the month number column. Like I have selected here the month number column. You can see different values in this column by clicking on this filter icon. Here you can see the counting from 1 to 12. These are nothing but a month number. Now we have to add a separate month name column. So to do that, you have to select this month number column. After here you can see you have to go to the column tool option, column tool tab, and here you can see the option of new column. You have to click it here, and after clicking, a DAX window will open, and we have to use some DAX queries to do and to get our desired result. So it is working. Let's wait for some time. So here we go. We have a separate column added here in our data set, and to add a DAX query we have to add the column name first. We keep the column name to month name, and after adding the column name we will use our DAX query. So we have to use format DAX query in this to get our result. We will write format, and here you can see the syntax is asking us for the value. What value we want? We need to add date value. So we will write date function here, and date you can see the syntax of year, month and day. But we want only month. So what we should write in year and day? We will write 1 in year, and in month we will select the month column in our data set. To do so, we have to write the table name first. Our table name is sales data. So I will write sales data, and here you can see different type of columns in our data set. We need to add month column. So we'll select it, and I will press tab for the same. Now again comma, and we have to add day according to syntax. So in day we will also write 1. So we have added our date function here in value. Now again comma, and now the format formula is asking us for format. Syntax is asking us for format. So format means to what value we want to get extract from this column, like days, month and years. We have to we need to extract months. So I will write double M. So what is double M double M? Double M means we need full name of our months which we are extracting. So I will write M 4 times, and I will close this inverted comma, and again I will close this parenthesis to complete our DAX function. I will write click enter. So DAX is working. Let's wait for some time, and now you can see our column is successfully added. We got our month name from the month number column. So by doing so, you can do your desired result. So thank you so much for watching this video.